One. Hey guys, I'm heading off to Lamb Island for another day of fishing adventure. Just to give you some info about this island. This is an uninhabited island in the nearby village of Dalkey. This is a public island in which one of the tourist attractions here in Dublin. So from the harbor, it is only a few minutes ride by the boat. So guys, we are here now ready to embark and start our adventure. So stay tuned. Here goes my first cast. Well, the surroundings are still gloomy and misty, although the time is 11 a.m. The actual temperature is about 18 degrees, so the cold is not really bad. So look, I think there is fish on, guys. I think we have fish on my line. I just feel it. So we will see. Yeah, there is. There is one. Oh yes, it's a mackerel, guys. Look at this beautiful creature. Look at this, guys, a good size mackerel. Just on my first cast. That's a good sign, guys. Go fishing again. Another bite, guys. I think this is a lucky day. Look at this nice looking fish. A mackerel. Another one, guys, another one. I need to stop for a while to give way for the swimmers. You need to see this. Swimmers all around me, guys. Look at them. It's quite amazing to see them swim considering the temperature of the water. I think they're part of their morning rituals. So they are in groups and work as a team if in case something happened, you know. So they are still there. Look at them. They are still there. Yeah, plenty of them. Look. They're still there. Yeah, they're still there. Still coming. Now they're gone, so I have to go back to my fishing, guys. Okay, back to fishing while the swimmers went away. Bit tiring now, guys. Oh, look at this boat. A big fishing boat on my front. There's another attraction, guys, a big fishing boat. Have a look at that boat. It's beautiful. I think they're heading off to the harbor. Yeah, she's beautiful. But anyway, back to fishing again. Still gloomy. Look at the clouds Back to my fishing business again. Or something here. Oh guys, I think there's fish on my other line. It feels a big fish. And it's heavy. Oh, what is this creature? I think it's eel. What is this? I think this eel. Yes, an eel. In a good size eel, guys. It's an eel, it's sea eel. Hey buddy, look at this eel. See this? Oh, it's slippery. Slippery, guys. It's slippery. This is my first time catching this creature, guys. This is a sea eel. This is an edible eel. I think you just need to clean and cook this guy properly. Look at the size of this. Look. Oh yeah, I'm back to fishing again. Again guys, my line is tight. Feels like there's a big fish on the line. Oh, we'll see. We'll see, it's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. Feels so weird and heavy. Seems a big fish on the line. Yeah, keep rolling. Keep. Oh, I see. There are three fish. 3 fishes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at them. Oh yeah. It's a multiple catch. 3 of them. That's why it's heavy. That's why it's heavy. Oh yes. Look at them. Mackerel. Look at this one. Guys, look at this. Trade at the same time. It feels good every time you catch like this. This is the enjoyment of a fisherman like me. Catching a fish like this. Oh yeah. Look at this. There are good sized fish as well. I think we keep them all. Yeah, we keep them all. So back again. Yeah, back again. Back again. Oops. Oh, it's heavy. Something at the other end. Yeah, look. It's too tight. My line is tight. Look. It's heavy. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's too heavy. It's too heavy, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. It's so heavy. I think we have a multiple cuts again, guys. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I don't think this is a fish. It's too heavy. It feels different. So heavy. It feels different. It's something wrong with that. Oh no, I think it is a sea lion. Oh guys, I think it's the sea lion on the other end of my line. Yeah, it is the sea lion. Yeah, it is a sea lion. I think he ambushed my catch. Yes, he ambushed my catch. Look at this. All left over by the sea lions. Oh yeah, it is the sea lion. He ambushed my catch. And it's not the only one there. I think there are 2 there. Well, yeah, the sea lion is the habitat of this island. This seems enjoying whenever there's a fisherman on the rocks, because look at these carcasses all left over by the taxman. We call him taxman, guys, because they are sharing your catch every time. They are the taxman of the island. Yeah, they are the taxman of the island. Look at these carcasses, look. They are left over by the taxman. Oh yeah, it's left over by the taxman. So I go back to fishing again. Yeah, oh, seems there's no one. Oh, it's gone, guys, it's gone. I think it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Oh, gone. So guys, I'm here now at the top of the island and finishing my day of fishing. These surroundings are amazingly beautiful, as you can see the view behind my back. Beautiful day, what a beautiful day here in the island. It was a satisfying day after all. The weather is fantastic all day. And guys, I think the boat is here now to bring us back to the harbor. So till the next video, guys. Cheers.